Hi, everybody. Dawn Zoldai here, P3 Tech Consulting.
And I'm Dave Krause, co-owner of Influential Drones.
We're on day 3 of the FAA's National Drone Safety Awareness Week, and today we're going to talk about how safe flyers become part of the community.
What you're looking at is a list of national associations that you can be a part of.
I would like to highlight one. There's so many great ones, but Women in Drones is something that's near and dear to my heart.
You also have your local chapters and association, which are in your state and easier to gain access to. I'm a part of the Pennsylvania Drone Association.
One of the many hats I wear is actually as president and CEO of UAS Colorado.
There's also professional associations that you can be a part of. Dawn and I are both involved with drone responders.
Not only that, but there's so many other ways you can plug in. There's a ton of social media groups you can become a part of. You should subscribe to relevant newsletters and magazines. There's several drone focused conferences you're going to want to go to. And don't forget the podcasts.
As you can see, the community loves to fly.
And so become part of it. It's so easy to do. If you have any questions, feel free to email us. Otherwise, we'll see you tomorrow. And in the meantime, fly safe.